Asus has launched a new smartphone, Asus 7 and 7 Pro. In this video, we will talk about the features of Asus 7 and 7 Pro. The Asus Zenfone 7 series comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro are powered by Snapdragon 865 and 865 Plus chipset respectively. Both the smartphones comes with a flip camera setup with 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel telephoto camera. And also it has features like dual OIS and side mounted fingerprint. In terms of battery, Asus Zenfone 7 comes with a large 5000 mAh battery with a 30 watt fast charger.